Alright, this is our review homework for our Unit 4 test over division, but there's a little bit of multiplication in here as well, so lots of things to look at today. Question number 1. Landon has 36 pecans for himself and his friends. He eats 4 of them. Then he gives 4 pecans each to some of his friends until they are all gone. To how many friends does Landon give pecans? So he starts with 36 pecans, and it says that he eats 4 of them. So we're going to take away 4 that Landon eats, which means there are 32 pecans left. And then from those 32, he gives 4 to each of his friends. So we're going to take 32 pecans and divide them into groups of 4. So we're going to see how many friends he's giving away the pecans to. How many groups of 4 can we make? So we can count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So that's 8. Because 8 times 4 equals 32. So 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Question 2. Molly wrote an equation to show how many beads she needed to make 9 bracelets. Which equation is not included in the same set of related facts as 8 times 9 equals 72? Related facts means fact families. So if we have the fact family of 8 times 9 equals 72, the other multiplication fact would be 9 times 8 equals 72. Then we would have 2 division problems in this family. We would start with the big number here, 72. We can divide it by 8, and that would equal 9. And then 72 divided by 9 would equal 8. So there's our entire fact family. So 9 times 8 equals 72. That one is in this family. There it is. 4 times 18 equals 72. Well, 4 is not a family member in this family, and 18 is not one of my 3 family members. 72 divided by 9 equals 8. So this is in the same family. And 72 divided by 8 equals 9. This one's in the same family. Now remember, we want the one that's not in the family, so the one I put an X beside. B is the one that is not in that fact family. Question 3. There are 21 cars and 14 vans parked in a parking lot. They are parked in rows of 7. How many vehicles are in each row? We've got 21 cars and we have 14 vans. They are all vehicles. And the cars and the vans are parked in the parking lot. So that means we need to find out the total number of vehicles first. 21 cars plus 14 vans would equal 35 vehicles. And then we take them and we put them into rows. We're going to divide them up into rows with 7 in each row. So we're doing 35 divided into groups of 7. And that would mean we would have 5 rows. I can check my division by multiplying. 5 times 7 equals 35. Yep, that's true. So 35 divided by 7 would equal 5. Question 4. Mariana has an equal number of yellow, green, blue, red, white, and black building blocks. She has 48 blocks total. How many of each color block does she have? We have 48 blocks, and they are divided up evenly between these colors. Well, I need to know how many colors we have, so I have to go up here and count. We've got yellow, green, blue, red, white, and black. We have 6 different colors, so the 48 blocks are divided up between the 6 different colors. And so for each color, 48 divided by 6, we can count by 6 until we get to 48. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Okay, so it's 8. 8 times 6 equals 48. So 48 divided by 6 equals 8. Okay, question 5. A list of numbers is shown below. Here they are. Which statement about all these numbers is true? And if I look at my answer choices, I know they all are asking about odd and even, so maybe I should look at these and label them whether they're odd or even. Well, I know when I'm trying to decide on a number if it's odd or even, I look at the very last digit, the digit that's in the ones place, to decide. None of this up here matters. All that matters is the last digit. So on this number we have a 3. And 3 is odd. So this number is odd. 94,235 ends with a 5, so it's odd. 97,384. 4 is even, so that means this number is even. Okay, choice A says all of the numbers are odd. Well, already I can tell that's not true because we have an even number. B, all of the numbers are even. I can tell that's not true because these two are odd. C, the first and the second numbers are odd. Okay, that looks true because the last digit in both is not divisible by 2. And we know that the words divisible by 2, a number is divisible by 2 if it is even. So let's read this again. The first and the second numbers are odd because the last digit in both of them is not even. Well, that's true. And last, they had not here, but since we did find one that was true, we're not going to choose not here. Okay, turn it over. Question 6. Alexa brings a bag of 24 apples to a picnic. Dylan brings a bag of 18 apples. They divide all of the apples equally into 6 bowls. How many apples are in each bowl? So first thing we need to do is put Alexa's apples and Dylan's apples and add them together because I need to know how many apples there are. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2, 3, 4. So altogether they have 42 apples. They divide those equally into 6 bowls. So we're going to take 42 apples and divide it by 6. So we want to know 6 times what number equals 42? We can count by 6's. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. It's 7. 6 times 7 equals 42. So our answer is A, 7. Question 7. Logan has 63 marbles. He has 9 marbles of each color. How many different colors of marbles does Logan have? So there are 63 marbles total, and he's dividing them. They are divided up into groups with 9 of each color. So 9 red ones, 9 blue, 9 green. We've got 9 of each one. We want to know how many groups of 9 we can make. So we're going to divide by 9. And our 9s go 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. So it's 7. 7 times 9 equals 63. So our answer is 7. Okay, number 8. Nathaniel packs 28 new shirts into boxes to ship to a store. He packed 7 shirts in each box. How many shirts does he use? So we've got 28 shirts, and he's going to divide them up into groups of 7. He's going to put 7 in each box, 7 in each group. We want to know how many groups, how many boxes we're going to use. 28 divided by 7, so we want to know 7 times what number will equal 28. We can count by 7s. 7, 14, 21, 28. So we could make 4 boxes that would have 7 in each one. 28 divided by 7 equals 4. Number 9. There are 42 children playing soccer at a park. Each team has 7 players. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. There's our 42 children. Each team has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look how nice they were. So there's our teams right here. We can use the picture. If there's a model for us, we can use that. So there are 7 going this way, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going this way. 42 children divided into teams of 7. There will be 6 teams. Here's my team of 7. I was able to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teams. And question 10. Reese, Kate, and Zach fed 18 carrots to the horses on their farm. So here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's the 18 carrots. And we've got Reese, Kate, and Zach. Each child fed the horses the same number of carrots. Which equation could be used to find the number of carrots each child fed to the horses? So we've got 18 carrots here. We want to divide them up between the 3 kids that are going to feed the horses. We're going to divide them up by 3. That would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So that's 6. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reese is going to feed the horse 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kate is going to feed the horses 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Zach is going to feed the horses 6. So the equation we're using is 18 carrots divided by 3 children. Each child gets to feed the horses 6 carrots.